Alright guys, we got a train coming. Dish lights are blinking. Yeah, this one's hauling butt too. Right here with one of my friends. I lured him out here. Told him that there'd be one coming at some point. We were sitting on the rails right there, heating rocks out, and then I look over, all I see is, oh, there's a light, hurry up, run over to the bike. Yeah, surely enough, this one's hauling butt, dude. Must be a lighter one. I love trains so much. I better, you know, that's an auto rack. I don't give a crap. But yeah, I better stand like right here. Yeah, this dude's hauling butt. It's an auto rack, I think. But yeah. This is a little freight yard.
It is, but like the couple cars was there last time. It should be
Eh.
there. Holy shit.
Yeah, this dude's hauling butt.
Hauling ass. I could hop that train if I tried.
Don't. It's going a good 30 mile an hour at least. A couple of locos. I just like to wave at them. Yeah! Woo! I love my job!
Bro, look at fucking filling though.
Bro, stand right here. It's so good. Oh my god. This.
The fucking ground is shaking, dude.
I know. Now you see why I love doing this, don't you?
I don't think I'm gonna be able to hear it.
That's the fun part. Man. You like this, don't ya? Man, that's a short one.
Oh, I got it.
You got it over.
Yeah, I got it over.
Yeah, this is a short auto rack. The end's already right there.
Don't touch it. I'll give you $2.
Alright, hold that. Face it towards me too. Don't try this at home. Woo! I got me another $10.
Now you got 20.
Yeah. Man.
Bro, I can hop it right now. It's slowing down. I can hop it.
Don't. It's an auto rack. You'll get caught in 2.5.
I could hop it. I'm not.
You hear the air brakes?
Slowing down. Come on, let's go.
Go, go, go! And there's the end. Whee! Look at this little chipmunk. Bro, he's gone. Yeah, it's slowing down a lot. Really doubt it's stopping, but I'm coming. Give me a second. I'm a potato. I'm not very fast. That was loud. Like, really loud. That was cool. Touched a moving train on camera. I'll take it. Yeah, you did almost get it. You're right. That's a piece of cardboard. Yeah, this is cardboard. It's very wait.
It's crusty and it says F. Oh, fuck.
And it has a lot of ants.
Hey, we'll get some of these on your legs.
Nah, they went to outer space.
Oh, dang, too. That board, too, they might be going on your boots.
They're not boots. They're tennis shoes.
Boots.
Yeah, at least there's some on my feet. Alright, that was cool. I really doubt there will be another one today, but we might get surprised. I sure hope we do. But yeah.
We're just going to end that right here.
Yeah. See you guys. Like, subscribe, do all that nonsense. Comment if I should touch a train again. That was really cool, y'all.
I'll make them jump one if you like and subscribe.
I'm not jumping a train, Kenny.
I will make him jump a train.
You can jump a train and get caught by the police and get sent to jail.
I will hog tie him to a train.
No, you won't. No, I was about to say I'd rather kill myself, but to be honest, that seems like it'd be pretty fun.
No, you might.
Seems like a heck of a way to travel, though. That's for sure.
You might get.
All right, leaving it y'all here. Bye bye.